wrong, bud? You sounded really upset on the phone when you called me over.
Yeah, and you were pretty mad when you were talking to your dad.
Guys, you know what I want to do this 4th of July?
What?
Fireworks, guys! But your dad and my dad said no freaking fireworks. So they're poopy heads and they're stinky. Yeah, boys, and there's no possible way that we can get fireworks. It's not like we can, like, be adults or anything. Yeah, I know. What'd you say? I said there's no possible way for us to get fireworks, boys. No, not that. The other thing. It's not like we could be adults, boys. Is that what you mean? Yes! We can dress up as adults! Bamer, I don't think you understand how fireworks work. They're gonna ID us. ID? Yeah, it's like a thing that shows how old you are. You have to be 18 to buy fireworks. Oh, yeah. Let's make a fake ID and, oh, I got an idea. Another one of his stupid ideas. We're gonna get sent to jail. Yeah. Hey, if we do get caught, we don't know him. Exactly. So, what do you think? So, what is this? You put the mustache in the wrong spot. You're supposed to put it right there. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. I didn't realize that. I'll put it back down here. What? But why is it down here? Because it's a goatee. Oh, I thought it was a mustache. No, and don't put it back up there. How about you, Larry? Hey, Mario, you made these mustaches out of felt. I know, now let's all practice our manly, deep voices. So I'm gonna talk like this. I'm a big, strong man. Alright, boys. Okay, well, I guess I'll talk like this. I'm a man, I guess. Bullcrap. Alright, buddies. Then I guess I'll talk like this, honestly. I think it's a pretty good voice. Yeah. Well, how are you so good at that? I don't know. Come on, boys, let's go! Bullcrap. Hey, what about the ID? I got a different buyer. We're not going to a store. Trust me, he'll let us buy some stuff. Oh, okay. Alrighty, guys, this is...
Alright, guys, this is the place. Let's go.
But, boys, I'm just gonna stay out here. I can't. Alright, I'll come. Don't sit on that, man. That's a firework. Oh, I'm sorry. What you guys looking about? Oh, shoot! Oh, yeah, this is a lot of cool fireworks. You know, you got some cool ones. Can you show us around? Of course. Right here, we got the big pack. This sucker, $90. It's pretty. It's a big pack. Goes for $100. My prices are marked down. Definitely. This right here is barely legal. It literally says it right there. This is barely legal. Most of these fireworks are illegal. This is the only one. This one and some of those over there are the only ones that are actually legal. Right here, these are illegal little sparklers and stuff. This is for like the teenagers. These ones are for kids. But so yeah. Right here, got some missiles. These are very illegal. Some tanks, some firecrackers, those are legal. We got these mortars and these 3 boxes right here, all illegal. High flatulence, very illegal. These are amazing. Hot stars, very illegal. But that one down there, if you buy that one, you're gonna need to use that one for your finale. It'll light up the sky. But there's one that's very illegal. This rocket right here is the most illegal thing I have. Maximum thrust. So that is exactly why you can't tell anybody about the secret little shop.
Yes, sir. We know how to keep our quiet.
So I think we're gonna take these Saturns, firecrackers, this, and let's also get these down here and barely legals. Can we get some just for kids? Oh, and some just for kids, just one though. Alrighty, man. That's gonna be a good $5,000.
Oh, $5,000.
Larry, did you bring any money? No, I didn't bring any money.
We don't have any money.
No money, huh? No money? Are you sure you don't have any money?
I'm positive, man. I ain't got no money.
Drop it down. Boom, boom, throw it. Okay, boys, move. All right. Whoa, I knew that kitty pack would be pretty cool. Yeah, I guess you were right. Yeah, buddy, you were like pop, 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 pop. It was like popcorn. Yeah, let me go light another one. All right. I think I might actually get in trouble with my dad on that one. Let's just keep doing some more. Yeah, buddy, that was pretty cool. Yeah, all right, let's keep going. Holy crap, bud! Oh my god. Later, bud, we gotta do another bottle rocket. Alright, we can do another bottle rocket later though. Alright, that's enough of the kitty pack. Now let's go on to the big guns. That was stupid. What's up? Baby Mario, how do you know that your dad's not just gonna wail on you whenever he finds out? I don't know, Larry. So let's go light some more. That was lame. It's time for your bottle rocket, bud. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, bud! Yeah, bottle rocket! Oh crap, that hit the garage door. Yeah, I barely even missed it. Actually, Buzz, you know what's funny? Because the cameraman was actually standing right here, but the garage door wasn't open, wasn't closed. So, yeah, it went inside the garage. See all those black spots? Yeah, well, lucky that the freaking car didn't explode, Buzz. So, yeah. And no breaking the fourth wall on 4th of July. All right, guys, that's enough fireworks for right now. We'll do some more later. Oh man, guys. Baby Mario, that was a really good idea. Fireworks, that was awesome. I know, Larry, I know. Yeah, boys, that was awesome. Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. Hey, boys, your dad's coming. Oh, shoot. That's natural. Hey, Baby Mario, did you... did you by chance, I don't know, go behind my back and buy fireworks? Buy fireworks? No, Dad, no, absolutely not. No, you said no, and no means no. That's what sex ed in school taught me. No means no. So that would be so sinister, Dad. I would never. Real smooth, but shut up. Oh, okay, I just heard a lot of popping outside, and so I was just wondering. Oh no, Dad, what? Not couldn't be me. Must have been the neighbor. What's funny you say that because the neighbor is a World War II veteran, and he doesn't really like loud noises, Baby Mario. So, you know, it's kind of weird. So, you know, not many people in the neighborhood should or would be doing fireworks. Well, Dad, it wasn't me. I'm 6 years old. I'm gonna turn 7. Yeah, it wasn't us, Mr. Mario. Yes, Mr. Mario, sure. All right, you kids have fun. All right, guys, let's just play games on our phone for right now. Alright, boys, that was close. My dad almost found out. Yeah, he would have beat your tail. Yeah, boys. Shut up. Alright, boys, let's do more fireworks. You guys ready? Yeah! Alright, let's go. No. Whoa, cool. Yeah, that one's cool. Another. Whoa, that one kind of like sparkled. Another! Yeah, very bright. Alright, yep, watch it. Yep. Woo! Uh-oh. Yeah, just a second.
Really?
Yeah! All right, Black Cat. There's a chain of firecrackers. Here we go. Man, that tank sucked. Man, how am I gonna make it actually go? Bottle rocket. Oh yeah, tank strapped to a bottle rocket. All right, here we go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Oh shoot, I almost got blown up. All right, guys, that was all of our tiny fireworks. So you know what this means. Oh heck yeah, it's time for the big gun. Woohoo, boys. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see them, but I got them all set up over there. Wish me luck, boys. What a brave man. Yeah. Oh, all right, guys, run. Oh, shoot. Oh, here we go. All right, go, 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 go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, guys, I'd say that was my best 4th of July ever.